25 years ago, we started Idealab as a technology incubator. We modeled it after Edison Labs as a startup studio. We look for opportunities that are big and broken, and then brainstorm technology solutions to fix them. We started off with these first 12 ideas in 1996, and since then, we've had more than 5,000 ideas, started more than 150 companies, and had more than 50 successful IPOs and acquisitions. Here are my most valuable lessons learned. They're the things I wish someone had told me before I started Idealab. 25 lessons from 25 years of starting companies at Idealab. Always be fundraising. This might sound silly or even wrong, but what I mean by it is that you as an entrepreneur should always be thinking about improving your story, making sure that you use that to get the capital you need to achieve your long-term objectives. And also that closing a round of financing does not mean that it's over. It just means that it's enough for the next hill. Even after you close a round of financing, you should be thinking about your next step in growth. You should be thinking about, how do I tell my story better? What do I now need to do next? And always be meeting people that could be helping you for that next round.